Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. All right, daily chart. And we talked yesterday about the key levels that the bears and the bulls had to get into, whether they wanted to extend it and get back to areas where they could assert more intermediate to longer term tape control. Bears had a pretty good day yesterday. They're heading back towards the 20-day. So we came in yesterday and we talked about being able to take out this weekly pivot test. If they were able to take out weekly pivot and the 9-day, extend down there, and if you could close below there, if you could do those things, then you would have a chance at daily mid-band. Well, here we are. So they broke it down, they held it. It was a nice job. Walked it up a little bit into the close, and you know, they're kind of heading back, you know, just to test that hourly mid-band in Globex. But they, you know, the bears controlled the day. Bottom line, they had the internal numbers behind them, and they didn't let the bulls off the hook as they have so many times in the past. So heading into today, for me, it's really about where to be closed relative to the green line, relative to the mid-band, the 20-day simple moving average. That, in the short term, is always my baseline measure of whether we are in a buy dips or a sell rallies market. If we're above, we're buy dips. If we're below, sell rallies. Short term, that's tended to work. So where do we close from there? What do the bulls need to do? Well, don't let them, first of all. There's my Captain Obvious comment for the day. They didn't spend a moment of the regular session or basically of the waking hours above the hourly mid-band all day yesterday. You can see it here. They're dealing with it now for the first time since basically Europe Open 2 nights ago. If the bulls are going to come back and try to wind this back and get up and past 41.10, which you see there from Thursday, which is their target number, they've got to take care of hourly mid. They got to get back above the 9-day and get back above weekly pivot. And when I say get back above, I mean close above. So the onus is on the bulls to have a bigger day. The bears can hold serve for a day or two, but if they linger down here and consolidate, it's going to make this look like support. And if this looks like support, then you're at least gonna get a serious attempt at another move to the upside as we get into the middle and later part of the week. So you've got volume weighted average price and the hourly mid-band locked up at 4106 half, 4107. We've got a proprietary moving average at 4006. So 4006, 4007 is going to be important. You can see it there on the chart. You know, you got, you know, Globex high up in the 14s. Globex lows down at 39.96 from 5:30 this morning. So watch the 20-day today. Watch the hourly mid-band. Let's see where we close, and we'll get into what that means Wednesday into the rest of the week in the webcast tomorrow. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room. Come trade this stuff for us. It was a really solid start to the week yesterday. We'll build upon that today. Take care. Talk to you tomorrow.